Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is preparing a statement of stockholders' equity. Here, guys, we have 3 videos that should be seen in sequence. First, preparing a financial income statement. It is in our video description. Second, this one, statement of stockholders' equity. Last one, balance sheet. It is also in our video description. Okay, because we need info for from the income statement to do our statement of stockholders' equity. So, what is the stockholders' equity? A financial statement that shows changes in a corporation's ownership for a fiscal year is called a statement of stockholders' equity. 2 huge sections: capital stock, retained earnings. Capital stock, a little bit harder. A value assigned to a share of stock and printed on the stock certificate is called par value. So here, let's go to our Excel file. Remember, our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So here, let's assume that our company, $10 par value. So January 1st, we have 7,000 shares issued. So, and here on the additional information, 7,000 times $10, that is our par value, $70,000. Okay? And then, when issued shares of stock, a corporation can assign any par value allowed by laws. Usually it is 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Based on 10, it is easier in the state in which it incorporates. So what do we do? So 2 huge sections: capital stock and retained earnings. We start with the beginning balance. Then what happened during the year? Here we have issues during the current year, 500 shares. And so 500 shares, how much? $5,000. And now December 31st, 2021, 500 shares issued. And here the sum of both, $75,000. Now retained earnings. So we first start with the beginning balance. So January 1st, 2021, beginning balance. How much it is? This is additional info. We don't have them in our trial balance. So here, this December 31st, here, it is the info that we have here on capital stock. What other infos do we need? Retained earnings, that is also the ending balance. So we will, this is the beginning balance. Yes, because dividends and our net income, they are here. So what is the additions that we have? Net, so December 31st, 2021, net income. How much our net income? We can do it based on trial balance, but once we have the income statement, that's where we add all of these accounts here. We have the net income, 79. That is why it is important for you guys to watch the first video first, or the previous video of income statement first, because it's where we tell you how we did this income statement. Less dividends. How much is our dividends? 15,000. And so here the net increase. It is 79 less 1564. So December 31st, 2021, retained earnings. That is beginning balance plus the net increase of our net income. So 130, and these 130, we don't have them on the trial balance because we combine all of those accounts as well. And now, what do we have? December 31, 2021, a stockholders equity. It is the sum of 75 plus 130. It is here 2005. And this information will be useful for our balance sheet. That is the next video, and you should watch it too. Okay, guys, it's not so easy, so watch this video how many times you want. And questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a very nice day and God bless you.